If you want to add a glow effect to your videos in CapCut, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how to use it. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do is have a video in your timeline, and you're going to go up to the top left hand side and you're going to tap on effects. Now from here you're going to look for glow. You can also find this by scrolling through video effects on the left hand side. All right, so you can see over here there's an edge glow for different types of sceneries. You can see also that there are a bunch of different types of glows. So there's body effects, and you can go ahead and explore what works for you. Now we're going to go ahead and click down and drag it onto the actual video, and this actually embeds this special effect onto the video instead of adding it to the entire project. So if you add videos to this timeline, the special effect, which is the edge glow, will not actually take effect on every single video clip, only the one that you're dragging it to. You can see on the right hand side we can now adjust the amount of glow that's actually being put onto the video. And now you can go ahead and just push play and see what it looks like. You can also go ahead and explore with other effects. And there you go, folks. If you want that glow on your video clips in CapCut, that's the way to go about it. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you. Cheers, creators.